Are you a South African musician trying to figure out how to apply for your ISRC codes with RISA? Welcome to this episode where I plan on demystifying just that. Cue the intro. What's up, it's your boy Scale from ScaleMusicSA.com and welcome to my channel where I share information to help my fellow South African independent musicians to improve on their music business. If this sounds interesting to you, please do consider subscribing as I do have other videos that I think you'll find informative. This video, I plan on showing you exactly how to register for your ISRC codes with RISA. If you're not too sure what an ISRC code is and what RISA is, click on this video right above here which explains exactly what RISA is and why you should consider registering with them. To make this video tutorial a lot easier to follow along to, I'm going to head over to my PC and show you exactly how to register yourself with RISA's online portal and apply for your ISRC codes for your audio visuals and your audio visuals or videos. Be back just now. What's up? So basically the first thing you have to do is head over to the RISA website. So it's risa.org.za. I'll leave a link in the bio to help make this a lot easier for you. And then once you reach this landing page, you click on the top right where it says login/register. And then it's already got my old details. So you click on register bottom right to create your own account. You fill in your email address, first name, second name, and then you put in your mobile number. Okay, let me just do the example quick. Shouldn't take too long. And then your mobile number 356096002. And then this will be green when everything is correct. So you click on register. It'll send you an email, and then the email will request for you to reset your password. I'm not going to show you my emails because it's my emails. And then you'll see okay, I can actually show you. This is the email, and then you click on reset. And then once you reset your password, you put in the first password, you put in the second password. I'm not going to do that because I've already reset. And then once you get there, you go back to the login. I'm going to show you my other account. I created this one earlier, and so I don't know if it's going to work correctly. Okay. Since you're not already a member, you have to register as an artist. On the online portal, you can register as an artist, but that won't mean you are a RISA member yet. So the only way to get your ISRC codes though is to register as an artist or as a company. As a company is if you have an independent record label. I'm doing this for specifically independent artists. Maybe in the future I'll do one tutorial for as a company, but you click on register as an artist. And then it'll pop you down to the ISRC codes. Would you like to proceed? So I'm just going to say create a new artist. If you've already registered with RISA, you might want to select artist. So I know my stage name is Scale Music SA. See, they've already got me over here, so but I'm not going to do that. As I want to show you is if you've never registered before, so create a new artist and then you type in everything. So you can register as an artist or as a group. So I'm going to do this for solo artists. So you click on solo. Your artist cell phone number 083-570-9602. That's also my WhatsApp number. Holler at me if you need any help. And then the artist telephone, I just put my cell phone number in. That doesn't help. 083-570-9602. There it is. And then stage name will be Scale Music SA. First name, let's put in my name. Last name HACKULA. Okay, and then your ID number is your ID number. So I'm just gonna put 920430 whatever. That's not my real one. So yeah, nature of business. So I'm just gonna say independent artist, or you can just put in artist. Then over here put in your email address. So let's put in info@Scale Music SA. Preferably use the same email you registered with. Physical address, you put your physical address, your city. So let me just put in 115 Algoa Road, whatever. City, Port Elizabeth. I don't stay there anymore, so it's not a problem. Eastern Cape for the province. So the city is your city, province, and you just fill out everything as it shows you. South Africa as the country, your postal code, you can copy it, and then you click on add representative. Actually, let me actually do one for Anga the pianist. I literally just came up with a new one right now on the spot. Other details, you don't have to fill in this. Organization, distributing, online distributing. I personally distribute with DistroKid, so I can put DistroKid in there. And then these should probably be correct. You have to fill in. Okay, let me just fill in my actual details here. I'm gonna fill in my postal address. South Africa 603. Yeah, that's everything, right? Organization. So for organization distributing, you can put in your stage name, but I'm just gonna put independent there. You can put independent. It doesn't really matter what you put in here. You can see there's no stars, so you can leave it open. Manufacturing cities, I do my own, so I'm gonna put independent. And then you click on add representative. No, click on just save. Okay. And then this will pop up, importance of an ISRC code. This is very important. It explains to you exactly what an ISRC code, what its meaning, and it basically shows you and tells you exactly what you need to do to get going with the ISRC code. It's a unique 12-digit number that you have to eventually start populating yourself, made up of 2 letters, which is the country. I'll explain that once I see it. So click on next. Partners are paying. This tells you why you should be paying for your membership fee and levies. Direct bearing on the votes that your members. These are the 2 main things. So if you're interested in being part of RISA, then you would pay for the membership fee and the levies. I did pop up a video that gives you a few options why you should consider registering with them, but I'm not going to go into that in this video. And then click on next. Disclaimer: if you're an AIRCO membership, you cannot be a membership of RISA. I'm not a part of AIRCO, so it's fine. So I've read. Then you click on next. Just make sure you've read this thoroughly. Then you click on next. Okay, in this part, this is the most important part. When you want to request your ISRC codes, you click on the tick and then you click on next. Okay, and this will pop up the importance again of the ISRC code. You click on request. Once this has sent through the request, SAMRO will send you an email confirming this, the ISRC first owner code. Those are the codes that you need in order to connect them to your music. So I'm not going to click on request because I've already created one before. So I'm just going to click on close. And I'm going to basically show you what the first owner code looks like. Oh, sorry, I hope this doesn't make there. See, the account is not approved yet. So the account still has to be approved, but it doesn't matter for now. If you somehow end up logging out and then want to come back in, you just click on request. On the dashboard, you just click on request and it'll pop this thing up again. Click on request ISRC codes, and then eventually once the administration at SAMRO has gone through all this information, they'll send you a first ISRC code owner code. Okay, I'm not going to do that now. Click on close because I already created one. Okay, so what does the first owner code look like? Let me just put it up on the side. I don't want you to see all my other emails. I can show you the fake one that's going to be terminated first ISRC. Give me a few seconds to find that email. ISRC Codes. No, wrong email address. Give me a few seconds. I should find it very soon. ISRC. Yes, here it is. Yes, this is it. So I did do the dummy process just to see exactly how it is, because when I registered they didn't have the portal, but I needed to show, for example's sake, how it goes. What's very important about ISRC code, it can only be used for an artist. If you use someone else's code, that artist will be getting the money. So please don't steal my ISRC codes, but this one's going to be terminated anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so the ISRC code is this. What's very important to understand is the ZA is for South Africa, so your code will always have a ZA in the beginning. The 3 digits afterwards, in this case is ASV, is for Skill Music SA. This is not my actual code. This was just to see how the process works now, so I could explain it to you. And then this one is the year of reference. I think this is a mistake. This should be a 19. Well, for this year it's 2020, so this should say 2020 and that's a 20. And then these digits at the end are the ones that you change. You have to change them manually. For each song that you make, you have to create your own ISRC code. So the very first song will be this. So I'm going to show you how I set up something similar. Basically, what I'll suggest you do is rig up an Excel sheet, and then you type in the whole ISRC code. Where the heck is that thing? Oh yeah, so it's ZA ASV 20 for this year. Let me do it in capitals so it's not confusing. ZA ASV 20 for this year 0031. So ZA ASV 20 4 zeros 24 zeros 1 4 zeros 1. Yes, so this will be the basically you set up a spreadsheet that'll make life a lot easier for you, so you never lose the ISRC code. Track name, and probably like something similar like a online platform link. So I'm not going to fill anything here. So the first track, so in my case the first track on my last EP was I Do. Okay, and then this is linked specifically to that track. For the next one, you have to change the number to a 2 right at the end. So you have to keep on generating your own ISRC code. So I Like Chicken, I think, was the next track. Okay, and then what you basically do is you just drag this down to how many songs you think you're gonna release this year. I'm gonna get to 30 at least. You see, so this is the series of ISRC codes. You make up your own spreadsheet, and then you just keep on putting in the song names here. And then whenever you're registering on your online platforms, you just take this, copy, and paste it into your online platform, and that should make life a lot easier for you. Let me know if you found this useful, and I'm going to be saying goodbye face to face just now.
I hope you found this video very informative, and please hit the like button if you found the information relevant, and do subscribe if you find these videos helpful. It helps me know what you need to know. And until next time, Skilligan the Hooligan signing.